My monitor failed.
Muskegon, Nuevo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola.
Just focus on this again.
Alarm device. Now here is your local forecast.
No.
Selected waters and warnings affecting the following counties. Counties in Indiana include Porter, LaPorte, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, the counties include William, Fulton, Defiant, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, counties include Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. I'm meteorologist Michael Lewis with the National Weather Service in northern Indiana. We now return to normal programming.
Ready? There we go.
Now here is the forecast.
This is the worst week I've had.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio rain alarm system. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous weather warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Allis, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Nuevo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Cannonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Nuevo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Nuevo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device. Thanks for
Barrie,
Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Nuevo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of...
Hit the 2-minute timeout.